Okay, hello youtube.com, welcome to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. So good to see you guys, and I wanna share something really good right now. So before my video, I share about Sproutgigs in Indonesian version, and I want to experiment with Sproutgigs, how much I made in a couple hours. So I just want to share about how much I made in this website. So this is the website in Sproutgigs and how much I made in a couple hours, and let's go login right now. So this is a login. I have account before, so before you don't have account you can sign up, create account right here with your Gmail or Yahoo Mail or everything mail. So I want to log in right now. So let's see. As you can see, there is a lot of job here, there is a lot of job here, but this is my favorite job. SEO, promote content, engage. This is my favorite job. Before this is easy job. So this is a lot of job here in Sproutgigs. I want to make how much I made in couple hours. So what time is it? So I decide to start work in 9:24. So this is 9:23, and I decide to work with this platform in 9:24. So how much I made in couple hours? Let's experiment with me. This is good or not for you. Just you can make decision. And so let's go. What time is it to start? Okay, I start work right now. Okay guys, it is about 2 hours. Now time is 11:28. So how much I made? Let's see. Pending. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm sorry. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 tasks I have finished. Okay, let's count. It's about 14, and we can calculate. Calculator in Google. How much I made in 2 hours? So 14 0.03. Okay guys, this is my income in website Sproutgigs, and I can make $0.42 in 2 hours. I think it sounds good or bad. You can decide, and if you want to work in Sproutgigs with this method, it's up to you, but depends on your country and depends on your time to finish the job. So I think that's all. I think that is my video. I think that's all for today, and thank you very much. See you in the next day when I made experiment again with this website. Okay, see you guys.